Hey guys, Tim at Bigtoolrack here. I want to talk to you about the new YardRack and what to expect when you take delivery of it. It comes in this box here, ships very well. It'll ship FedEx, UPS, or USPS, common carrier. It's a 38-pound box that is about 32 inches by 30 inches by about 6 inches. So it's very manageable, very easy to move around. And I just want to go through it with you a little bit, and I'll open it up here just to show you what you're getting. So just be careful when you open it. I've got a hook knife here which won't go through the box, it'll just cut the tape. So be careful you don't razor the tape all the way down because it could damage the rack. So I just grab it here, open it up. And basically, this is how it's packed. Your two parts here, which this is the mounting bracket that goes on your tractor, is all wrapped up and protected. Same thing with the tubular L bracket that connects to the rack, which will then plug into your tractor. So pull this out. And the rack itself comes fully assembled. Got your manual here. It's got a breakdown of the parts as well. And the rack itself, like I said, is completely assembled here. The tool holders are on it. And again, let me pull this box out of the way. Again, when you open it, be very careful. Like I said, I have a hook knife here, so you want to make sure you don't cut the canvas. It's got a ballistic nylon canvas here, but you don't want to put a razor blade to it. So you have to be very careful when you're taking the plastic wrap off here. You'll see it's completely assembled. Here you have a drop down hook and a rubber strap tool holder here. Also, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a strap in here. This is the strap that would hold the rack in the upright position. So there's really no assembly. It comes this way, and the only thing you have to do is put this L bracket on here, this tubular bracket. This is what plugs into your tractor or your UTV. Just two nuts and bolts here. And this would bolt on here like that. And then this is the actual part that would go on a garden tractor or a zero-turn mower. So that's that. So these two plates go behind the back plate of the tractor or your mower, and then this, once it's connected to the rack, plugs into here. Very simple. I just wanted to show you what to expect. Very easily shipped. You know, it's common carrier, very light box, and we try to make it simple for you guys.